Hey everybody, this week's video we have another small giveaway to celebrate my 5,000 Instagram followers. Very cool. All you have to do to enter this contest is watch the full video, leave a comment, any type of comment. I don't even care if you just say hello. For all the comments that I collect through the whole week, I am going to do a raffle at the end of my next week's video, and that'll determine the winner. You want to know what you're playing for? This little fella right here, an ink pencil. Not just any, the company that went out of business, and these little guys are gold. How much gold are they? That's right, on eBay, check the price. I'm giving one of these little guys away for free in this video, so all you need to do is watch the full video. I will contact you and I will ask you one or two simple questions, and I'll know if you watched the video or not. So don't just go to the end of the video and tell me you watched the video. Okay, let's get down to business. This is going to be a super fun video. My daughter's actually going to join me in this video. She's getting ready to go away to college. I had a great time working with her this summer. That's one of the best parts of owning your own business, a family business. You get to spend time with your kids in the lab. So here we go.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we've got a special guest, my daughter Wilma.
Hey Dad, what are we doing in the lab today?
Great question, Wilma. Today we're going to teach you how to make a decal, and it's your favorite, the horse.
Horse? I love horses!
Well, let's get busy in this video, Wilma, and I'll show you how to do my new technique.
Okay, we're going to transfer this image onto our retainer. First we're going to cut it out. And that'll make it a lot easier to place on the retainer. Okay, I have my image. And now I'm going to apply my Golden Gloss medium acrylic fluid. Just put a little dab on my finger. I'm going to rub it on the image. And what this is going to do, it's going to transfer the image onto the retainer. Now here's the best part, is I can move it around until I get it to where I want it to be. And it'll just get rid of the air bubbles, if there's any. There's no. This one was a really good transfer. It's going right on. And I can move, like I said, I can move it to get it perfectly placed. And I'm going to let this sit and dry for 20 minutes. Okay, now that this has been drying, I got a second. Tell you a little bit more about my acrylic fluid. This stuff's really cool, and you can buy it through my Amazon store. There's a link, and you can check it out. Also, what's really nice about this is that you can do all kinds of art projects with it, and I will be showing you a couple that don't even have anything to do with orthodontics. That really cool stuff. This stuff's really fun to play with. Okay, at this point, after this has been set up for about, say 25 minutes, I'm going to put it in some water. I'm going to allow the water to soak into the paper and remove it, leaving the ink behind. So after it soaks for about 15 seconds, I'll slowly start to remove the paper. Now I don't push really hard. Just let the paper start to remove itself. You can see it starting to come off. That's what I'm talking about. Because if you remove it too hard, you'll remove the image. It's much better to be very patient than it is to just try to rub it off as fast as possible. So once you have your image completely unveiled, at this point, I'll just take a clean napkin, or I'll just take a clean tissue and just dab it to dry it. And I'll go ahead and add my cold cure polymer. And you have some working time because it's not going to distort the image if that's what you're worried about, the monomer soaking into the ink. And basically I'm seal coating the image. Okay, the image is out and now I can proceed. From here, I'll pumice and polish. You can see how nice the image gets transferred onto it. Hey everybody, thank you very much for watching this video, and if you actually held on to the length of this video, you're going to get a little bonus because there's something I didn't discuss in the video. I want to show you, and you're my loyal fans, so I want to show you this. The horse decal comes out pretty good on a solid color, but it definitely could improve, and this is what I want to show you. When you use a lighter color, they come out really sweet. So that's your tip. You can see what's going on. They come out really cool. In next week's video, I am going to show you how to do colored decals and put them on white backgrounds, and we'll go from there. Please leave a comment below to enter the contest. Good luck, and we'll see you in the next one. First, I'll add a layer of clear powder.
fine.
First I'll add a clear, I'm sorry. First I'll add a layer of clear powder.
Horses!